as it takes in order to spot a kraken. It's just like going through my paint. beautiful Megalodon videos, but instead of spawning a Megalodon, we're going for the one and only Kraken. So just to show you guys how much pain I actually go through recording these videos, check this out. This is how long it takes to spawn a Kraken. Let's see. And there we go. We got our first Kraken. That only took 10 minutes. Not too bad. Honestly, guys, it can be worse. Trust me. So what we're going to do, as you can see, I do still have 5 nukes. Oh, okay. Turns out I'm setting a nuke off straight away. Okay, well, off it goes. It's inside of me, but there it goes. Our first nuke. I can't really get a good look at it. Have you got a nuke? Oh, a nuke exploded around Pyro Ship. All right, well, there we go. We should have now nuked the Megalodon. Megalodon? What am I talking about? The Kraken. Well, let me actually test this first. So let's go to the Poseidon Rod. And the reason I'm going to be using the Poseidon Rod, well, if you watched my video yesterday, we could maybe get a giant, ancient, nuclear Megalodon by using this rod. Because I currently have sea overload on it, which makes every fish that I catch 25% bigger. And of course, the passive of this rod has the chance to make a fish 75 to 150% bigger as well. And the other passive is we can make a ton of money. So let's get fishing and see if the nuke worked. Oh, it did! Yes! Yo! Has anybody nuked the Kraken pool yet? Honestly, I'm sure somebody has done it out there, but I've not seen anyone talk about this yet. It looks so cool. Yeah! Give me all these nuclear fish, dude. The other thing we should test for is how much money am I gonna make per nuke? I only want to use like 2, maybe 3 nukes, but there we go. Nuclear Abyssal King. So if you guys have a look, currently we're on 8,186,000 cash. Let's see how much money we can make from this one nuke. Oh, and the other thing, let's actually go ahead and put Atex Look on. And yes, guys, the Robux giveaway is over 25,000 Robux now. So keep on subscribing to make it even bigger, because you could be the next winner of a lot of Robux. The last Robux winners won 66,000 Robux each. In the end, we ended up giving away 330,000 Robux in January. So just keep on subscribing and leave your Roblox usernames in the comments. All right, let's see. Are you kidding me? Atex Look and we get a bait crate? Well, at least it's going to be a nuclear bait crate. I'll take it. All right, there it is. A big nuclear bait crate. Yeah, dude. Oh, we're getting the Kraken! Lock in, Batcher. So we didn't get the little ghost dude, which means it's probably not going to be a giant Kraken, but there's a chance we could get big, and I just realized I never popped my Poseidon totem. Oops. I guess we're not getting an ancient Kraken on this one. Oh, no. Oh, no. What do I do? Am I going to have to call in Batcher number 2 for help? I think I might. I'm going to need Batcher number 2 to come into my server and start popping sundial totems, because whilst I'm fishing for nuclear fish, I'm going to need him to spawn in another Kraken for me. All right, let's see. Here it comes. Yes! The Kraken! Unfortunately, it doesn't show it as nuclear in the cutscene. That would be kind of cool. And there it is. Oh, no, that's a rock. All right, let's have a look. What did we just get? So if I scroll down... Oh, okay. So it's not even a big, but we got a nuclear Kraken weighing 6,100 kilograms. Oh, my days. What is this? I'm blind, bro. I'm actually... Look at me. I'm in here. No, this is crazy. All right, well, it looks like I'm holding up an actual giant nuclear waste thingy. Well, what I'm going to do, guys, because we do still have the nuke active, for now, I'm going to pop sundial totems myself whilst I go on my laptop to get Batcher number 2 into this server. The only downside is Batcher number 2 doesn't have access to the Kraken pool, so he's just going to have to stand at Moosewood and pop those sundial totems for me. All right, I'll see you guys once we get another Kraken going. And once again, let's have a look how many sundial totems this will take.